Coronavirus, a deadly virus having no vaccine till date and there is no cure. It is spreading worldwide and claiming many lives. The World Health Organization (WHO) has declared a global health emergency over coronavirus that has killed more than 3,000 people in China. And it has been reported that there are more than 1 lakh people under medical observation. Fresh cases have been detected abroad, with more than 20 countries now affected. The number of cases have steeply inclined with every day as per the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases. Common signs of infection include respiratory symptoms, fever, cough, shortness of breath, and breathing difficulties. In more severe cases, infection can cause pneumonia, severe acute respiratory syndrome, kidney failure, and even death. The best way to prevent this infection is to avoid being exposed to this virus and increase your immunity so that you do not get affected by this deadly virus. Kiva Industries offers best quality products which can increase your immunity and help you keep all infections at bay. Try this now. Kiva Panch Tulsi Drops. It contains the extract of 5 different tulsi, being rich in antioxidants renowned for its healing powers. These are known to have powerful antioxidant, anti-aging, antibacterial, antiviral, antiseptic, anti-flu, antibiotic, anti-inflammatory, and antitoxin properties. It can be effective in cough, cold, stomach pain, abdominal pain, and viral or seasonal fever, swelling in lungs, chest congestion, etc. Also helps to remove blood impurities and increase the immunity of human body. Kiva Gold Tulsi Drops. These drops are manufactured by the mixing of gold essence and 5 tulsi extracts to improve and boost immunity. It acts as an elixir, protect from the common cold, flu, allergies, and breathing problems. It possesses antioxidant, antifungal, anti-aging, carminative, adaptogenic, and immune-enhancing properties. Kiva Anti-Pollution Drops, that is KAPD. KAPD contains a highly concentrated and natural extract of these ancient Japanese herbs with fantabulous properties. It is an immunomodulator that balances and improves the immune response of the body in fighting antigens such as bacteria, viruses, microbes, allergens, etc. and maintaining health. It helps to increase strength, immunity, and vitality. It supports the immune system and optimizes physical performance. KAPD reduces stress, enhances stamina, remedy for a lot of common ailments. Kiva Immunorich. It contains organic cow colostrum. This benefits the body by increasing functions, healing, and immune system. It includes immunoglobulins, PRP, lactoferrin, calcium, leptin, and many more. Kiva Immunorich works better than any other product available in the market to build a strong defending immune system for people of all ages. Kiva Cow Colostrum. This is an Ayurvedic and herbal product that helps to gain vitamin, minerals, fat, carbohydrate, disease-fighting protein, growth hormone, and digestive enzymes. It helps to treat diarrhea and infection. Bovine colostrum is used as a supplement to give protein and minerals to the body and helps to make the immune system strong. Colostrum acts as an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, which helps to reduce the inflammation from the body. It helps to increase the antibodies within the body to protect it from outer foreign particles. Kiva Ganopower. It contains one of the most potent antioxidants, the king of herbs, that is pure Ganoderma lucidum, which is known to work on the body at a cellular level to improve one's health and general well-being. It contains nutrients that can help the human body to maintain its health or improve its level of health if there are problems. Kiva Immunity Booster. It can provide good immunity and prevention against different infections, virals, etc. This product has a balanced mixture of essential vitamins, essential minerals, and ginseng extract. Ginseng is an herbal extract normally used to added energy and well-being. This is a dietary health supplement and can be adopted as daily nutritional supplement as well. This can provide nutritional support for overall health and vitality. Choose Kiva products and boost up your immunity to keep yourself prevented from all diseases, because prevention is always better than cure. Thank you.